class 4 English workbook. Okay, let's start. So last day we have done a poem pumpkin head. So that only we are doing workbook pumpkin head. So read. We have to read. This is also a vegetable song. Carrot, peas and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. For my snacks in my lunch, veggie sticks are great to munch. Carrot, peas and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Now see. Write the names of the vegetables in the poem. You write the names of the vegetables in the. What are the names of the vegetables? Carrot, peas and broccoli. These three you will write here. Carrot, peas and broccoli. Okay. This is number 1 answer. What are great to munch? Veggies. Veggie sticks are great. Veggie sticks are great to munch. This is number 2 answer. How are vegetables good for you? Vegetables gives us what? Proteins and vitamins. Okay. So last one you write. Okay. This one you write. Number 3 you write. Vegetables gives us. Vegetables are protective food. Vegetables gives us vegetables are protective food. Vegetables are protective food. We are protective food. Right. Vegetables are good for us because vegetables are protective food. They protect us from diseases. Clear? Vegetables are protective food. 1 answer is this one, 2 answer is this one. You write by yourself. Now, do you know the difference between bought and bought? I told you bought means to buy, bought means to bring. Clear? Now make 3 sentences using each word. I bought a toy. He brought a glass of milk for me. Okay? This one you will write 3 sentences now. Okay? You will write 3 sentences. Let's try one. You write one sentence. I bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a toy. This one you will write. He brought a glass of milk for me. Clear? I bought a toy means you buy a toy. Now he brought means he bring. He brought a glass of milk for me. Okay, this one finish. No need to do this too. No need to do. Only one sentence. Complete the phrase in your you like. Full of shine, full of knowledge. You can write here. This one I think no need to do. Complete the phrase you like. Full of shine, full of knowledge. Look through. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. Look into, look through. THROUGH, through. Give a reply, give a answer. As soon as it is possible. As soon as you can. As soon as it is possible. It is old. Old is always. Old is gold. Some phrases. Okay, you write. You can as soon as it is possible. To give an answer. Okay, this is a phrases. Sentence and phrases you have to learn now. This one, smiling, a clean face and a bright face. You find out the words. Clean face will have what, and what you should have. A bright face will have what. Okay. This one no need to do. Turn the page. This one. Now let's read this one. When we see me in the field, my orange glowing in the sun, it is time to say goodbye to summer and hello to autumn fun. Can you tell what I am? I am a season. You write season. What is this? Season. This is a season. Talking about a season. Summer season. SEASON. I am a season. Rhyming words you write. Field, summer, time, good. You do the rhyming words. Now make sentences by using this phrase. This one you will do homework. Look after. Look into. This meanings you have done in the workbook, textbook. Look after, look into, look out, look for, to look up to. This meanings you know. Open the textbook, know the meanings and make sentences. This one. Okay, make sentences. This one. Now circle the adjective. Oh, right. Adjective means what? Describing what? Circle the adjectives in the following phrases. Now My family usually goes for a camping in summer. We spend some time with the bright, circulate, star shine, star shining, star through the dark sky. We love to listen to the chirping birds and crackling fires. Bonfire is the best among the adventures. Homemade food stuffed with veggies fill with vegetables fill our hungry stomach. At night, we swuggle snugged in our cozy sleeping bags and listen to the scary stories. It's all adjective describing words. Okay, now see. Write an adjective for each word. Tangy orange, soft teddy bear. Write soft, soft teddy bear. Strong tea, describing the adjective. Long dress. Okay, sweet mango, SWEET, sweet mango. Long tail, deep pool, pool is very deep. Bright face, BRIGHT. Okay, let's do this one. Bright, BRIGHT, bright face. Okay, clear? All describing words. Describing how the teddy bear is soft tea, long dress, sweet mango, long tail, deep pool, bright face. Okay, finish now. Make sentences using the following words. This one will do, not to this one, will be this one. Make sentences using the following words. Watered, blossom, magical, enormous, drag, bumpy. This one will do next day. This one no need to do. For today, this much. For today, this much only. This much. We have finished the workbook and book syllabus now. This one will be your homework. This one will be your homework. This one will be your homework. Only this one. Others, you see the video and write all the answers. Okay, clear? And this one, if you try to write the rhyming words. Only this one will be your homework. Okay, make sentences. Clear? So for today, this much. Thank you.